Our coffee of the day is this Toffee Nut Crunch Latte from Starbucks. So every year, ino-order ko to, binibigyan ko to ng chance kasi ayun, medyo natatamisan ako sa drink na to. Pero every year naman, binibigyan ko siya ng chance. And by the way, kasama to sa staple na ng Christmas drinks ng Starbucks. So every year, nire-release nila to pag Christmas season. So try na natin. But first, cheers. Let's give this a chance. So, try. I don't know, but every year talaga nagle-lessen yung sweetness niya for my preference. I mean, yung taste buds ko talaga. Every year, naaalala ko talaga vividly na every year nagle-lessen yung sweetness niya. And this is, sa ngayon, medyo kaya ko na siyang inumin. Hindi na ganun katamisan. Very nutty pa din yung lasa niya. And mafe-feel mo kasi yung mga crunch pag iced yung in-order mo, pero